Today we're building a couple of shelves and we'll be using this jigsaw to cut a couple of square holes in the back of the shelving unit so we can fish through a bunch of media cables and wires. This dial allows you to control the 4 different blade strokes depending on how aggressive you want your cuts. Press the red button and adjust the speed of the blade using the red dial. And we already have a blade inserted, but we'll go ahead and take it out and then show you how we inserted it. I got this on slow motion so you can see how to unlock the blade to remove it and then how it locks in when you reinsert it. And now we'll cut into this wood board. We went ahead and drilled out 4 small holes on the 4 corners of the square we taped off. And you'll see how smooth the cut is. It's easy to control the blade because of the foot plate. The motor actually delivers up to 3,100 strokes per minute with very minimal vibration. And with the dust blower, we can always see where we are cutting without the wood dust getting in the way. And look how straight and smooth the cuts are.